Hi, welcome to Naswera channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add complex big number in Microsoft Word. First, you can open your Microsoft Word. In here, I'm using blank documents. And then in here, I will create 6.5 for example, or 6 page I mean. Okay, in this 6 page, I want to insert a page number. You can see there, I add page number in top of page in the left corner. You can see there is 1, after that 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And the next question is how I can start again using number 1 in here rather than to change number 2 and number 1. You can see we can let the cursor in the end of page 2 and then click layout, choose breaks, and then click next page in here. After that, you can click in the page number in number 3 and disable link to previous in here. Okay, after not active link to previous, you can insert and then choose pick number again and then choose format pick number, and you can start at 1 like this. Now this is the complex its big number in Microsoft Word. After number 1, number 2, and in here back in number 1, number 2, number 3, and then number 4. Okay, you can see there. I will create this more higher in here. That's all. 1, 2, and back to 1, 2, 3, 4. That's all tutorial how to add big number in Microsoft Word using complex method. Hope this video helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.